you are a sole manufacturer and, of course, by volume, the largest manufacturer of a lot of products. But is there a concentration risk because your major of the revenues come from, 70% of your revenue comes from only the top 20 clients? Is there a potential risk?
It was a potential risk, but now we have identified that risk and are mitigating that.
Sure.
So we have introduced 5 more products this year, that is last financial year, and this brings in new customers. And during our discussions or investor meetings or our discussions on quarterly presentations, we have showcased that we have mitigated that risk.
Rohan, this is your first elaborative interview ever since you guys have listed. How has been the growth story so far?
Interesting. We did not have time to think. We are here since inception, since last 10 years now, and so we were busy growing the company from the scratch. We started from home, this whole company, and from zero people team, and that's what we were doing. So we were quite busy in this, and so we did not have time to think.
I see an intense capacity unit. I barely can understand what all it is. But I'm sure the way the pace the specialty chemical industry is growing, it's immense. It's more than 11%, which is assumed by the industry experts. But then since your major of the portfolio is towards pharma sector, you have a concentration towards oil and gas and agro, plus to some part of photography also. But then isn't that sluggish demand from domestic pharma industry a concern?
Yes, the overall pharma sector was having a demand constraint, and so to mitigate that risk, what we have is we have increased the portfolio of agro. And as for March ending 2023, we are only 45% as pharma now, and 35% approximately as agro. So we're increasing and balancing out both of this. Also, what we are increasing is material science division, a segment which is more important to us now, and that is how we are looking at it. So we want an equal distribution in future on all these 3 segments, respectively.